Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Beacons AI, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a contact in your Beacons AI? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a customer in your Beacons AI anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to message your customers or contacts, and once in a while, they're going to write you back with a nasty message. So maybe it's better just to go ahead and delete them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Beacons AI. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Beacons AI, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete a contact here on the left side, you're going to click on Audience. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your customers and contacts. So go ahead and scroll through until you find the person you like to delete in your Beacons AI. So for example, this person right here. Now there's actually two different ways you can do this. The first and easiest way is just click on the box next to their name. Once you do that, you're going to see this red button, Delete Subscriber. Go ahead and click on there. The other method is you can go ahead and just click right into their name. Once you do that, it's going to pop up here on the right, and you're going to click on these three dots. Once you click there, click on Remove. Either way, it's going to give you this pop-up right here. Are you sure you want to remove this customer from your audience? If so, click on Remove. Quick second later, you say the page refreshes. Now you can see that contact was removed from my Beacons AI. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a contact in your Beacons AI, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.